Scarlet Fu. What'd you miss? Disney is set to report earnings after Tuesday's U.S. closing bell. The company recently made headlines when it cut about 100 ESPN staffers, including on-air talent. Now, we know that the sports network is dealing with rising programming costs and an eroding subscriber base. So let's examine Disney as a whole in today's The Numbers Don't Lie. Revenue growth has been negative in back-to-back quarters, marking the first time that's happened since 2009. You can see Disney's total revenue in white and media networks in orange, both going south. Networks, of course, critical, with Disney getting more than 40% of its revenue from that unit, which includes ESPN. And you can see how this sports giant has lost subscribers for 3 straight years. So lower revenue is a stress, but so too are higher costs. Disney may report as much as a 16% increase in cost because of sports rights. Now, ESPN is the highest priced part of the typical cable TV package and therefore is especially vulnerable to cord cutters because the network generates so much revenue from subscriptions. And people have been quicker to cut the cord. Cable and satellite operators lost at least 630,000 traditional service subscribers in the first quarter. Disney may be able to fight off some of these losses by being part of new streaming offerings like Hulu Live. Now, Disney's film business, on the other hand, is booming. Beauty and the Beast posted a record opening for March. It'll be part of the Q1 earnings report. Disney is also expected to lead at the box office this summer, too. Its lineup for the year include Pirates of the Caribbean, Cars 3, and Star Wars, all proven franchises. Don't forget as well about Disney's theme parks, which generate 30% of sales. The World of Avatar opens this month in Orlando, and Piper Jaffray forecasts that by 2020, operating income from the parks will climb by 64%. Now, looking at the big picture, analysts project a return to positive revenue growth. Disney CEO Bob Iger also says this year's modest EPS growth would be a, quote, anomaly. We'll get a sense of Disney's outlook after Tuesday's U.S. closing bell.